In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Upscale in Magnific AI Mobile. If you've ever wished a photo had more detail or looked crisp on a larger screen, upscaling is the tool that does exactly that. We'll walk through the mobile workflow together so you know what to tap, why it matters, and how to get a clean result. Start by opening the Magnific AI app on your phone. From the main screen, look toward the bottom and tap the AI suite. This is where all the enhancement tools live in one place, so it's the quickest way to get to upscaling without hunting through menus. Next, choose Upscaler, then select the image you want to improve and tap it to load. For best results, pick the clearest version you have rather than a compressed screenshot. Larger files may take longer, but they usually produce better detail. You'll now see a choice between creative and precision. For this walkthrough, pick creative. Creative is great when you want the AI to intelligently add plausible detail and texture, breathing life into softer areas. Precision, by contrast, aims to preserve the original as strictly as possible, but we're leaning into creative today for a more noticeable boost. You'll also see a model choice, classic or magnific. Choose classic here. Classic tends to be stable and predictable, offering a clean enhancement that suits most photos. Magnific can be bolder, but Classic is a safe baseline while you learn how the app behaves. Before you run the job, set your resolution, presets, and the imagination level, then tap Enhance. Resolution determines how big the final image will be. Doubling or quadrupling increases detail but also processing time. Presets fine-tune things like sharpness and noise. The imagination control tells the AI how much freedom it has to invent detail. A moderate setting usually balances realism and clarity well. If processing seems to take a while, simply go back and tap Work to view progress and open the finished result. This queue keeps everything organized so you can check back without losing your place. That's it. Follow these steps and your images will look sharper, cleaner, and ready for larger displays.